Open with a strong question. Do you think walking alone keeps you healthy after 70? Think again. Show a senior struggling to get up or a walking scene. Voiceover, doctors say walking isn't enough, your joints, bones, and muscles need more. Staying active and healthy after 70 doesn't have to be a solo journey. Joining a community, whether a local senior exercise class, an online fitness group, or even exercising with a friend or family member, makes a huge difference. Social connection keeps you accountable, provides encouragement, and makes movement more enjoyable. Sharing experiences, celebrating progress together, and learning new exercises from peers can make daily activity feel fun rather than a chore. When seniors support each other, it's easier to stay consistent, feel confident, and keep moving safely. Remember, you're not alone. Being part of a supportive community strengthens both body and mind. Walking is good, but it's no longer enough after 70. Strength, balance, and flexibility exercises are essential to protect your independence, reduce the risk of falls, and keep your body strong. Start small, start safe, and stay consistent. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can transform your life. Take action today. Add strength exercises, balance practice, and stretches to your routine. Your body, your independence, and your future self will thank you. Don't wait. Walking alone won't be enough, but taking these steps now can help you stay active, confident, and healthy for many years to come. Staying motivated can be challenging, but it's the secret to long-term health after 70. Progress may be slow at first, but every small effort counts. Celebrate little victories, lifting a heavier resistance band, balancing longer on one leg, or simply feeling more confident walking around the house. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of focused movement every day adds up over weeks and months, building strength, balance, and flexibility. Keeping a positive mindset and reminding yourself why you started to stay independent, energetic, and healthy makes all the difference. Motivation doesn't have to be complicated, it's about showing up for yourself every single day. Tracking your progress is one of the most effective ways to stay on course. Keep a simple journal of your exercises, noting the number of repetitions, minutes spent, or balance improvements. Small changes, like standing on one leg a few seconds longer or lifting a weight a little higher, are signs that your body is getting stronger. Seeing these improvements keeps you motivated and helps prevent burnout. You can also take photos or videos once a week to visualize your progress. It's amazing how much change you'll notice over time. Monitoring progress turns abstract goals into tangible results and reminds you that your efforts are truly paying off. Let's hear from Dr. Stevens, an orthopedic surgeon with over 30 years of experience. He explains that after 70, our bones naturally lose density and muscles shrink, making everyday movements more challenging. Walking is helpful, but it doesn't stimulate the bones or muscles enough to prevent falls and fractures. According to Dr. Stevens, incorporating strength, balance, and flexibility exercises is essential to maintain independence and reduce injury risk. He emphasizes, even gentle exercises, done consistently, can make a huge difference in a senior's strength, balance, and overall quality of life. Hearing it directly from a doctor reinforces why walking alone simply isn't enough after 70. Now, let's look at a simple, safe exercise routine you can do at home, no gym required. Start with seated leg lifts or mini squats using a chair for support. Follow with 5 to 10 gentle resistance band exercises for your arms and shoulders. Add a few balance moves, like standing on one leg or walking heel to toe along a hallway. Finish with gentle stretches for your neck, back, and legs. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can strengthen muscles, improve balance, and increase flexibility. The key is consistency. Doing a little every day is far more effective than overexerting yourself once a week. With this routine, you're taking control of your health, protecting your independence, and reducing the risk of falls. Starting a new exercise routine after 70 can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to begin slowly and safely. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretches, light resistance exercises, or balance movements. Use a sturdy chair or wall for support if needed, and always listen to your body, no pain, only gentle effort. Gradually increase the intensity as your strength and confidence grow. Even small, consistent steps can lead to big changes in your mobility, balance, and independence. Remember, it's never too late to start, and starting safely ensures you stay injury-free while building a stronger, healthier body. Many seniors make common mistakes that slow down progress or even put them at risk. Some rely only on walking, ignoring strength, balance, and flexibility. Others skip warm-ups or try to do too much too fast. Sitting for hours and avoiding movement altogether is another big mistake. The truth is, every part of your body, muscles, bones, joints, needs attention. Walking alone won't prevent falls, improve balance, or stop muscle loss. Avoid these pitfalls by combining simple strength exercises, balance work, flexibility stretches, and daily movement. By doing so, you protect your independence and give yourself the best chance to stay active and healthy for years to come. Meet Linda, 72, who thought walking every day was enough to stay healthy. She enjoyed her daily strolls but noticed she was getting weaker, climbing stairs became harder, and she felt unsteady on her feet. After adding simple strength and balance exercises to her routine, everything changed. Within weeks, she felt stronger, more confident, and even her energy improved. She shares, "I can finally carry groceries without worrying about my knees, and I feel more independent than I have in years." Stories like Linda's show that small, consistent changes in exercise can have a life-changing impact for seniors over 70. Now, let's meet Robert, 75, who had a close call last year. He slipped while reaching for something on a shelf, and although he didn't fall hard, it scared him. He realized he needed to improve his balance. After starting just 10 minutes a day of simple balance exercises, standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walks, and gentle stretches, he noticed a huge difference. Robert says, "I feel steady on my feet again, and I'm no longer afraid of small trips around the house." These real-life stories highlight the power of combining strength, balance, and flexibility. Walking alone just isn't enough to protect your independence. Your body needs the right fuel to stay strong after 70, and diet plays a huge role in keeping your muscles and bones healthy. Protein helps rebuild muscles, while calcium and vitamin D are essential for strong bones. Foods like eggs, fish, milk, yogurt, leafy greens, and nuts can provide these nutrients naturally. Staying hydrated is just as important. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and dizziness, increasing the risk of falls. Small changes, like adding a glass of milk to your breakfast or including beans and nuts in your meals, can make a huge difference over time. Remember, it's not about a strict diet, but consistent, smart choices that nourish your body every day. Sometimes, diet alone isn't enough, and supplements can fill important gaps, especially for seniors. Common ones include vitamin D, calcium, and protein powders, but it's crucial to check with your doctor before starting anything new. Supplements can help strengthen bones, maintain muscle mass, and support overall health, but they work best alongside real food and regular exercise. Avoid taking high doses on your own. Too much of certain vitamins can be harmful. Think of supplements as a safety net. They support your health, but the foundation is still strong nutrition and daily movement. When used wisely, they can help seniors feel more energetic, resilient, and confident in their day-to-day lives. While walking gets your legs moving, your heart and lungs need more than just a stroll. Cardio exercises like swimming, stationary cycling, or gentle aerobics can strengthen your heart, improve circulation, and boost overall stamina. The key is to choose activities that are safe for your joints but still challenge your body. For example, water exercises are low impact and perfect for seniors with stiff knees or hips. Cardio also helps maintain energy levels, supports weight management, and even improves mood. By combining cardio with strength, balance, and flexibility work, you're not just moving, you're building a body that's resilient, healthy, and able to keep up with everyday life. Staying active doesn't always mean structured exercise. Every small movement counts. Simple daily activities like gardening, cooking, or even walking around the house can keep your muscles engaged and your joints lubricated. Think of these moments as a micro-workouts that add up over time. Seniors often underestimate the power of consistent, gentle movement. Sitting for hours may feel comfortable, but inactivity accelerates muscle loss, joint stiffness, and balance issues. By weaving movement into your daily routine, you give your body a constant boost, keeping it strong, agile, and ready for anything life throws your way. Balance isn't something we usually think about, but after 70, it can be the difference between staying independent and risking a serious fall. Even small exercises, like standing on one leg, walking heel to toe, or doing gentle Tai Chi, can strengthen the tiny stabilizing muscles that prevent slips and trips. These exercises train your body to react quickly when you lose your footing and improve your coordination for daily tasks like bending, reaching, or getting out of bed safely. You don't need fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair, a little floor space, and consistency. Over time, even 5 to 10 minutes a day can dramatically reduce your risk of falling and give you the confidence to move freely. Flexibility is often overlooked, but stiff joints and tight muscles can make simple movements painful or even dangerous. Gentle stretching and mobility exercises, or light yoga for seniors, can keep your joints supple and improve your range of motion. This means bending, reaching, twisting, and even walking become easier and safer. When you maintain flexibility, you reduce the strain on your muscles and joints, which helps prevent injuries and chronic pain. The best part? You can do stretches while sitting in a chair or lying in bed. It's never too late to start. Consistent, daily flexibility exercises give your body the freedom to move comfortably, which is essential for your overall independence and quality of life. The best part? You don't need a gym. Exercises at home, just 10 to 15 minutes a day, can make a huge difference. Think of strength training as an investment in your independence. Every lift, every stretch, every repetition helps your body fight back against the natural aging process. Walking is great for staying active, but after the age of 70, it's no longer enough to keep your body strong. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, bones lose density, and joints become stiffer. Relying only on walking doesn't challenge your muscles or bones, which means you could slowly lose strength, stability, and balance. This makes everyday activities, like climbing stairs or getting up from a chair, harder, and increases your risk of dangerous falls. To truly protect your independence and health, you need exercises that strengthen muscles, improve balance, and keep your joints flexible. Walking alone just scratches the surface. It keeps you moving, but it doesn't build the resilience your body now desperately needs. Falling might seem like a small accident, but for seniors over 70, it can be life-changing. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults over 70 experiences a fall each year? Even a minor fall can lead to fractures, hip injuries, or long-term mobility problems. Many seniors assume walking alone keeps them safe, but without strong muscles and good balance, your body can't react fast enough to prevent a fall. Imagine tripping on a small step or slipping in the kitchen. Without stability, even everyday movements can become dangerous. This is why doctors stress that walking is only part of the solution. Building strength, maintaining flexibility, and training your balance are essential to prevent these silent but serious risks. Strength training might sound intimidating, but it's the most powerful tool you have to stay independent after 70. Light weights, resistance bands, or even simple bodyweight exercises can rebuild lost muscle and protect your bones. Strong muscles help you stand up from chairs, climb stairs, carry groceries, and even recover more quickly from minor injuries. Strength exercises also improve your balance, reducing the risk of falls.